ridiculously too. About 4 meters underneath the boat. I can see the contours on the bottom. Shroud Cay. Beautiful greenish blue waters. Little cut in there, it gets super shallow. Very windy. Very rolling last night, yeah. Not a lot of sleep. Calm down today though. Paddleboarded in, little hike on Shroud Cay. It's like a popular spot. Came in through that opening there. You can see water wings actually parked right in the middle. The dinghy's out back in case I needed to be rescued, because I had quite an interesting paddle yesterday where I almost didn't make it back to the boat because of current and winds. Not today, made it. Rewarded with these beautiful views.
The motor stopped like wiggling in my hand. Either touching or...
What is this national park called? Just the
Great Exuma.
Great Exuma National Park. We are currently in about a foot of water. Maybe. Hoping to get in there, which is an awesome mangrove dinghy inlet that everybody does. But we are pushing.
Water's getting deeper.
We are going in a rising tide, so we're hoping to get in and be able to get back out with no problem. But getting in is tricky, because if you can see the rocks over there, we aren't quite at high tide yet. Probably still have 4 hours to high tide, so we'll see.
It's either deeper or extremely shallow. Either way, we're about to
find out.
find out. Advantage. Oh, it's way. Hey everyone.
Kevin manning the dinghy.
Oh yeah.
Exuma Cay's Land and Sea Park. In for a wild ride. Or a very slow ride. That is a heck of a flow. Wow.
Well, because of this sandbar. I think this is the mangrove part.
Oh, you think? That is very narrow.
Well, I expected it to be narrow.
You don't think it goes supposed to go around to the right? Oh, somebody's coming back on a dinghy. How'd they get in there? There's no way. They must have a very shallow dinghy.
Well, they just drug it.
We're going to totally go nose to nose and play chicken.
It's running. I'm hoping that it, like, what I don't want to do is ruin the motor. If we can get through it.
He's like, nope. Totally turned around. Aw. Gonna have a great jump today. Oh. Sorry for scaring you. But you're super cute. just flowing in. At least we know we won't get stuck out in the Atlantic. Like, we're gonna get pushed.
We're gonna get pushed into the mangroves. This is where you can see.
Oh my god, a shark, that'd be awesome. Look at this is the rapids. Yeah, they called it the rapids. Now, that makes sense. Look how choppy it is over here.
I'm gonna accelerate here.
The other side of Shroud Cay, the Atlantic side, we just dinghied all the way across through the interior. And it is gorgeous. Look at the water flowing through this little inlet. It's amazing. Kevin is finishing up the dinghy over there. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Although if it does, we'll just follow it. It's amazing! I love it. This is why we do what we do. I'm making no movement.
Yeah. You're definitely not going to get over here. Okay, bye, Aaron. I love you. It was nice knowing you.
Oh, that's so fun. I think I can get over there, maybe, or maybe not.
Swim over there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, too much work.
All that triathlete training. Just Aaron trolling for sharks.
We are currently drifting back the way we came. And for perspective, engine is off. But we are actually moving pretty fast.
Like 2 or 3 knots.
2 or 3 knots, just drifting downstream. At sunset, we would have come this morning, but the waves were like enormous. Oh, saw another turtlehead.
Did you?
They're everywhere. I love it. Kevin working very hard.
It's actually not that hard.
No? Oh, yeah, because the current is taking
You're just positioning the boat. Just got to go back to center, essentially.
Doing a great job. I am just going to hang out and keep looking for turtles because they're everywhere and I love them. Just drifting along. Oh my god, I totally keep seeing little heads pop.
Do you?
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, look how clear this water is. You see how clear this water is. You can see everything. Oh. Turning around. Kevin doesn't want to drift backwards anymore. Lame.
Well, no, I don't want to.
Nemo. You totally look like the little guy from Nemo. Did you take the EAC here? Good, have a great job today.
Go with us.
You gonna fly form with us? We're fun people. At least I think so. I have fun with us. Oh, we have a long time still.
Yeah. That's good. Because I do not want to ride back.
In the dark.
In this. Yeah, it was much further than I expected. I kind of want to.
Like, look how fast we're going.
Yeah.
We're not even motoring.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just keeping the boat in the middle.
Yeah. It's crazy. Back to the end of our journey. A lot deeper this time. The tide is definitely coming in. Kevin is going to steer us into the mangroves. You need to come way to port. No other way. Your other port. Glad I got that on video. Ooh, now we're going to spin.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big turtle over there.